We are safely landed here in Bangkok, Thailand. So I'm already here in Thailand. So we're here in Bangkok, Thailand at exactly 9 a.m. in the Philippines. I don't know the real time here in Bangkok, Thailand, but in the Philippines it's 9:09 a.m. So we will see kung anong oras na rito. Mamaya malalaman natin. So ayan, welcome to Thailand. It's our first time here in Thailand. So anytime, baba na po tayo para pumunta sa ating